me, when you're trying to learn skills, is so much better than training online, because the skill that we're really trying to teach is performance and connection, and it's hard to practice that in front of a computer because there's nothing to connect with. You can't really connect with the screen.
In today's world, having a mastery of technology is essential. And with knowing how to run a business doesn't hurt.
When I get in front of someone, the case has been vetted pretty well. But what I want to know, when I sit down and I breathe the same air as the person across from me, is, can I somehow be their champion? Do they need me? Do I like them? Do I think they are a good person?
Some 15 minutes of a former employee coming in and telling about the conditions and their complaints and how they were disregarded and how they, maybe raised concerns about, abuse of clients or of patients, and they were criticized for it or even fired for it, right? That doesn't take that long, but that's the power.
That is an objectively reasonable assessment of the value of the case. And in response to that objectively reasonable settlement demand, we got an offer of 0. We didn't even get a response. But at that settlement conference, there was an offer of $350,000 going into the trial.
And imputations.
I mean, it wouldn't have even paid for his medical care, let alone for his disfigurement or the emotional pain and physical pain that he endured.
We always want to, my firm and myself, when we take a case, we prepare it and go forward as if it was going to go to a trial in a courtroom in front of a jury. I think you need to take that approach. We don't take cases and say, let's try to do everything we can to settle this case. We take a case and say, let's do everything we can to get this ready for a trial. If you do that, the settlements will come. And if they don't, who cares? Let's go try the case.